How do you know that the niche you've chosen for your YouTube channel is going to make you money and actually be profitable? In this video, I'm going to reveal 4 different signs to look for to know if a niche is going to make you money and be profitable in the long run. This is also a collab video with an amazing video creator, Shelly Saves the Day. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about her as well inside this video. So, are you ready? Hey entrepreneur, it's Salma Jafri, and you're in the right place if you want to grow your personal brand with video. Hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon, and let's begin. Now, if you remember, I made a video a few weeks ago on the best YouTube niches. And in that video, I explained what trending topics are, what evergreen topics are, and how to choose a topic and a niche that is actually going to help grow your YouTube channel. But in today's video, I want to talk about the niche that you've chosen. What are the different ways you can actually monetize that niche and make money with it? But before we get there, I want to do a quick intro to Shelly because I get so many questions from so many people about the technical aspects of creating a YouTube video, like editing and all this tech stuff, which I don't normally cover in the greatest of detail on my channel because it's more focused on branding. But I want to send you over to Shelly's channel because her channel is all about making tech simple and easy, and she has amazing tips on editing, beginner software, all sorts of tips and tricks and effects that you can use to make your videos jazzier and better looking. So I'm going to drop a link to her channel in the description and also right at the end where you can go and check her channel out. Now back to this video, and if you're coming from Shelly's channel on this video, welcome, and let me know in the comments below by leaving hashtag Shelly Saves the Day. Now let's get into YouTube niches that are going to make you money. So the first sign that you're looking for is demand. Now, how do you gauge demand? Because demand means that people are going to come, they're going to be interested in that topic, they're going to come and watch your video. So the way that I gauge demand is search volume, which is perfect because YouTube is a search engine, and I use the extension keywords everywhere to gauge search volume for a particular topic within my niche. So the exercise you want to do here is once you've decided on a niche or you're evaluating a certain niche, think of maybe 10 to 20 topics that you might be creating videos on within that niche. Then do your keyword research on those 20 topics and see if they have a considerable amount of search volume. Try and look for search volumes above 1,000 searches a month if possible. And if you find a lot of topics with that demand, aka search volume, then you know that there's a lot of potential. A lot of people are searching for this topic, and it may be profitable in the future as well as in the current. So the second thing you want to look at is advertiser interest. Now, I don't often talk about this, but AdSense is one of the ways that you can monetize your videos. In my opinion, it's one of the ways which actually gives you the least amount of money, but I do want to put it up there. And as we go further along into this video, we're going to talk about ways to earn money which are better than YouTube AdSense. But we're going to start with AdSense because it's the simplest and the easiest to get started with. Okay, so when you're looking at whether this channel is going to make money with advertiser revenue, the first thing you want to look at is Cpm and Cpc. So Cpm is cost per impression and Cpc is cost per click. And both of these values tell you whether advertisers are spending money on a certain keyword, which means that when their ads are going to show on your YouTube channel, you have the potential of making more money. Now, I'm going to give an example from my channel on how I gauge which topics have the potential to make more money. And what I see on my channel is typically that whenever I do software reviews or tech tutorials or topics that are in trending, then those videos tend to perform better in terms of AdSense revenue. It is by no means a big source of income. It's just a little trickle, and it's not something that's going to support your channel at this point, especially if you're a beginner. But if you are intending to monetize your channel and you do want to have some kind of AdSense revenue, then you should be looking at what topics are advertisers paying more for. So for my channel, it's tech, and this is a really easy one because any video topics that you're talking about, you can probably find products to talk about in it, or things that you use in your niche, right? So that's a really easy one. So look for other topics which have a high CPM or a high CPC. And again, you can use keywords everywhere as a tool to tell you this, or you can use the Google AdWords keyword tool to tell you, or I'll place a few more tools in the description below, which are a little bit more advanced and you might have to pay for them. But if that's something that you're highly interested in doing in monetizing your channel, then go and take a look in the description. So the third thing you want to look at is, are there affiliate products that you could possibly sell in this niche? So this ties in really nicely to the last point about talking about products inside your niche, because not only can you make money off AdSense revenue from those products, you can actually become an affiliate for certain products that you use and love. And again, I'm going to give you an example from my channel. So some of the products that I'm an affiliate for because I love and use them are TubeBuddy, and I'm going to put a link to them in the info cards or in the description everywhere, okay? So it's TubeBuddy. I'm an affiliate for Wave Video, which I use for all of my video advertising needs. I'm an affiliate for Recur Post, which I use for all of my social media scheduling. I've recently become an affiliate for Namecheap, which I use to host all my domains. And I think I'm about to become an affiliate for Canva, which you guys know I love to use for making all my channel art and thumbnails. And I'm also an affiliate for Envato, which is the place where I go for all of my media stock. For example, the music you hear in the title of this video is from there. So I get these little media pieces from there to use, which is, I think, a great way to add more stuff and jazz up your videos. So I'm going to put a link to all of the products and services I use in the description below. Okay, so question time. I want to hear from you. What products could you possibly be talking about on your YouTube channel within the niche that you've chosen? Let me know in the comments below. The fourth sign that you want to look for to judge whether you can make money from your channel is there demand for making your own products and courses and offering your own services as part of your business model. Now, this is something that might be a little bit long-term if you're just getting started, or maybe you will already have an idea for maybe a digital course or an actual product or a service that you want to market and sell. So the way that I like to look if there's demand is see if there's healthy competition. So if I know if other big players are already in this area and they have maybe info products or services that they're offering within my niche, which is video marketing, then I know that there is demand, then there's healthy competition, then I can probably also make something work in that sphere to earn money. And so I have a flagship product. It's my group coaching program for YouTube. And I'm also launching a dedicated DIY course on YouTube marketing for businesses and brands. So that's something else you need to look at about the niche that you've chosen. Is it something that you can personally develop something around? Is it something that you can market as a service perhaps initially? Maybe something you can do as a freelancer, as a solopreneur. Maybe you can develop an app around your idea. I mean, the opportunities are limitless, right? But in order to make money from your channel, it's good to have a product or service to sell, because that is really probably the highest income earner if we're looking at all these steps that I just talked about. So from these, AdSense would probably be at the lower tier, and then affiliate marketing would probably be somewhere in the middle, and then having your own products and services is probably the best way to monetize your YouTube channel. Now, I do have something for you that goes more into detail about how to monetize your channel, which is a free webinar that I am hosting in a few days. And I'm going to drop the link to that below in the description, of course. Go and sign up. It's all about how to use YouTube to build your business and your brand using my 3-step system. If you're interested in that, I'd love to see you inside the webinar. I'll drop a link in the description as well as in the end card. And one more time, if you are here from Shelly's channel, welcome again. Remember that with every comment you leave here, put hashtag Shelly Saves the Day so I can welcome you properly. And if you are on my channel and you want to go check out Shelly's channel, you know, all those questions you guys ask me about video editing and all that stuff, go and ask her. She's actually a great person to answer those questions because she actually knows what she's talking about with regards to technology with YouTube videos and video editing specifically. So I'd highly recommend you go check out her channel. I'm also going to put her channel in the end card. Remember to go after what you want and build a brand you love, because you can be the media.